So hello and welcome back, and this was a request from a subscriber if it's possible to remove the USB port from the center console of Ford Focus MK4. And to be honest, I'm not really sure how to answer that question, because yeah, if you don't want to break anything, it's kind of hard, because you would need to come from somewhere inside here or here. Because look at this side. So when you check in, how it gets out. So basically all you need to is to click it here and on the other side. So from both sides you click and it comes easily out. But the thing is, I don't know, if you use a screwdriver, maybe, but it's kind of still, I don't know, because I'm not really sure if this would be a wise idea if you don't want to break anything. Because yeah, as if you can see over here, once you click in, it's over here, but it's covered with the plastic on the top. So I don't know, I would not try, to be honest, because it would be really hard. Let's see once again. So what you need to unclip, so one from this side and one is from the other side. It's kind of easy to get to it once it is out, but I don't know if you can take it out from the without taking it apart. Only if you are, let's say, if you are not keeping it, so then maybe yes, you can destroy the front plastic with a screwdriver. And I mean, if this is a malfunction, then yeah, why not? You take it, you click it from here somewhere, but it will destroy probably this plastic. So if you remove the covers, again, I'm not really sure if you can access. Best way would be to take it out, or as I said, if it's in malfunction and you have to replace it anyway, so yeah, then I don't see the point. Why not just click with the screwdrivers here and here, so in the middle, because then the clips will go out probably, so maybe from upside to downside. Let's see with the screwdrivers. So this is the smallest I do have. Maybe need even smaller one. I'm not really sure this is a good idea. Yeah, better. I mean, if you want to destroy this and you don't need it, then yeah, sure, why not? You just go and clip it up. Because I would press hard here and yeah, destroy probably. So best way would be to take it out. You don't need many trims. You might come and take this part out, and maybe if you have small hand, go from this side, because this piece is kinda not that hard to take out. Maybe that way would be better, because I mean, if you have a smaller hand, you might come close. Yeah, because yeah, like this. So maybe that would be a better way. Okay, here comes the consoles and all kinds of electronic, but try this way before you go to destroying or taking everything apart. So yeah, I hope this will help you. Not really sure if it's 100% best ideas, but yeah, I would take everything apart and put back, but that's just me. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and yes, see you in next one. So till next one.